Hi, my name is Nick Dogle with North State Law. Thank you to all of the nurse practitioners for joining me again today. Today is video 2 in my nurse practitioner series. These are helpful tips for your nurse practitioner practice. Today we're going to be talking about telehealth, telemedicine, telenursing. These are all pretty much the same thing. The North Carolina Board of Nursing years ago did come out with a position statement on this. They qualified it as something that can be done as long as it's done properly and ethically and is HIPAA compliant. I think the main thing to consider, especially in this day and age, is make sure with whom you're speaking via telehealth is the correct person. Identification is going to be key. I would definitely get multiple photo identifications before speaking with somebody. Confirm that right before you speak with them as well. The other thing is one of jurisdiction, and that's going to be if you're licensed in North Carolina, you don't want to be practicing nursing in a different state that you're not licensed in. So when you're doing telehealth, you want to make sure that the person is actually in North Carolina and/or is a resident in North Carolina, and not over in Alaska or something like that. You want to make sure that you're doing it for somebody that's actually located in the state. Those would be the main two things. HIPAA compliant goes with what I just discussed as well. There's a lot of benefit to telemedicine, telehealth, telenursing. One of those being, obviously in today's age with COVID, not having somebody in a close proximity to you is not necessarily a bad thing, because obviously less transmission of the potential for transmission of the disease goes down. And the other big thing is it opens up opportunities for those that live in rural communities in this state, which there are a number of rural communities in North Carolina that otherwise might not be served if it wasn't for telemedicine. So this opens up a lot of opportunities for you to virtually visit with patients and offer your services to those patients that you might not have had before, or your patient might not have had before. If you're a nurse practitioner and you've got your own medical practice with a supervising physician, I would definitely speak with your supervising physician, and make sure you guys are both on the same page, and make sure that whatever you have in regards to telehealth, telemedicine policy is in your collaborative practice agreement. Okay, that's another very important thing. Be on complete same page with the partner primary supervising physician. If she or he is not comfortable with it, then it's probably not something that you both should do. You want to make sure that your partner physician is comfortable with it. If they are, fantastic. Make sure it's you update your collaborative practice agreement. If that's not in there, go ahead and change it. Make sure it's in there. Make sure both of y'all sign it. Make sure that you come back to it and revise it as necessary in regards to telehealth, and you would just make sure you're compliant with all that. Okay. So if anybody has any questions on further questions on telehealth, telenursing, I would be happy to answer any questions. I can always be reached at nick@northstatelawfirm.com. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's North State Law. Also, I can be found on Facebook, North State Law, on there as well, and Twitter and Instagram also. So basically all the major social medias. I'm not quite on TikTok yet. I think I'm going to pass on that one, but you guys can find me on all the other ones. If you need to text me or call me with a question regarding telehealth, feel free to do that as well. My telephone number is 919-521-8810. Everybody have a great day. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.